Hey guys, welcome and welcome back again to my channel. It's Ada here again, and of course I am continuing the cleaning because we did not finish up yesterday. Okay, so I had to do the bathrooms separately because I just did not want the video to be so long, so I had to kind of like do the bathroom separate. So here we are, we will be cleaning the two bathrooms, and you guys, kids can be so messy. Okay, they can be so messy, so I had to clean their bathroom first because it was a whole, I think their bathroom is kind of like more work than mine, because mine is not always that dirty, but theirs, children are messy honestly. So welcome back. If you're new on here, welcome to my channel. My name is Ada and I do everything cleaning, mom, motherhood, lifestyle, vlogs, and all of that beautiful content. So if you're looking for that kind of channel, then this is the right channel for you. Go ahead and smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, and smash that notification bell so that you know whenever I post any video, any new content. And yes, you are here, I am going to be participating in Vlogmas this year, which already started. This is Vlogmas day 3, so welcome to my channel. Feel free to join the family. So yes, we are cleaning the kids bathroom right now, and I'm just of course cleaning. And I'm going to remind you again, if you have been kind of like procrastinating, you clean today, you clean tomorrow, come on now, join me as we are cleaning today. This is my second cleaning, so join me. And you guys are also going to be getting some amazing recipes. Like, I'm going to be giving you guys back to back everything. Okay, so stay tuned. You don't just want to miss it, so better subscribe now. Click that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you don't miss anything, because you guys are going to be getting so many amazing content, and you guys are going to be getting new recipes, food recipes. Like, if you follow me on Instagram, then if you know. So I'm going to be giving you guys all of that. And also look in the description box and you can see my Instagram. Let's be friends. Follow me on Instagram, and yeah, you will know me better from there. So yeah.
You are my pill, I swallow it. Take me away to Neverland, where colors fade my disbelief and make me forget my memories. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor. Flame your light and take a smoke. Put your broken rip-off wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found, we'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, cause we will still be high when the lights out. We can pretend that time is still, stay in the daydream, chase the thrill, make up the way as we go, live for the moment, lose control. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor. Flame your light and take a smoke. Put your broken rip-off wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found, we'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, be high when the lights out. With the lights off.
Let's go outside.
So yeah, you guys, we're almost done cleaning the kids' bathroom, and we'll be starting off with mine as well. This is just why I hate older builds or whatever. The floor of this bathroom just, I don't know, it just makes me mad. Like, I just hate the flooring of this particular bathroom. I don't know why they did not do something, but I just don't like it. But anyways, that's by the way. This is done, and we are in my bathroom next. So yeah, we have to take all these things out of the way and let the cleaning continue.
Moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. Making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. While we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. With you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay 'cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up, Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions. Sharing stories that we never had, yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them.
Okay guys, so as usual, if you've gotten to this part, let me know by commenting Vlogmas Day 3 in the comment section, and I'll definitely know you got here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've gotten here, we are almost done, and if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button, smash the notification bell, make sure you leave a comment, like and share this video, and I will definitely be seeing you guys tomorrow. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one.
Ooh.